The motor mounts are almost ready for insertion once we epoxy the different components together, and we'll use some J&B weld in order to put the last of the engine retainer ring on. Want that to be a higher temperature epoxy rather than the regular West Systems or the Z epoxy, which has a lower melting temperature. The motor mounts again are going to be 24 millimeter to start with. We'll eventually upgrade to 29 millimeter if we decide to, but this allows us to buy the very cheap E-size engines instead of going up to the F-size. We can get more launches for the money and probably use some of the cheapest E-engines that are out there. We only need about 40 newtons seconds of total impulse range, about half of the maximum. So, and that's because our rocket is so lightweight. We've been designing and cutting the size down, reducing the length, and we've gone down to a BT60 body tube, which is on the left-hand side for the motor mount, and we're even going to try a BT-55 body tube with the 24 millimeter motor mount on the right side. And we're going to attach the fins to these motor mount tubes so we can make the whole unit replaceable. Just push it in, pull it out of the tube, and then secure it with a couple of tapped cap nuts, basically, and we'll see how that strength of materials works.